Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to Reality Bars TV. We are back on YouTube, but we are also back on Reality Bars TV. I was like, screw the strike, okay? I miss my people, I miss my channel. Let's come back, okay? We won't upload too much, just in small measures, okay? Anyway, you guys, listen, I want to talk about Uthando Nesithembu before we do the review of episode 14. I want to talk about the one part in episode 13 that I didn't talk about enough because I only saw that I missed something when I was watching episode 14. When they do, last time, when they show us what happened last time, and I was like, we missed something here. Okay. Remember when the wives had a meeting, only the wives, and they were talking about the plan, to move ahead now. They have a sickly husband now, who just had a stroke. Also, he's diabetic. How are they going to be moving forward together? And that shady comment about the doctor that only had 3 phone numbers instead of 4, but the wives have 4 numbers. Guys, it's stingy. Just give the doctor the number of the 4th wife, okay? So now they're sitting at the table and they're having that conversation. It gets to a part where they are talking about the number 5 situation, and Umayeni has that exchange with Umakhumalo, where Umayeni is asking Umakhumalo, which is so. Did he also hide it from you ukuthi he has paid lobolo for Makhwela? Okay, uthi so nawe ubungazi ukuthi sekulotsholiwe. Okay, now here is what I missed, you guys, okay, because I didn't really think about what Umayeni was trying to say in that moment. Okay, now remember what we discovered at the beginning of the season was that the reason there is that tension between Makhumalo and Mayeni is because they are fighting for the number 2 position, because Makhumalo believes that she is the real number 2, whereas Mayeni believes that she is the real number 2. Why? Because Makhumalo believes that by the time Mayeni came, I was eating spinach. By the time Mayeni became the full makoti waka Mseleku, Umakhumalo also believes that she was already umakoti waka Mseleku. Okay. Now, we have realized that by the time Mayeni got married to the Mseleku family, like as in the white wedding, Makhumalo's lobolo had already been paid. But Mayeni did not know that because, of course, that wasn't revealed to her. It was hidden from Umayeni. Okay. Now, we don't know for sure if Makhumalo was aware that the information was hidden from Umayeni, but we know that it was hidden from Umayeni because Mayeni discovered everything now. Okay, Mayeni thought the lady was a nanny. Mayeni thought the lady was ingane yeskupu. The next thing, ingane yeskupu ilala nomkhwenyane, So now, when I was watching that scene back, I was like, actually, it feels like, it sounds like Umayeni is trying to say, Umakhumalo, do you see how this happened to me? Do you see the very same thing that you were calling me delusional for is happening to you? Because if you are saying that you also did not know ukuthi Mseleku has paid lobola for Makhwela, that means that he is doing the same thing to you that he did to me, where he is paying lobolo for another wife and not telling you. Now, if you are telling somebody in the future that you did not know that Umakhwela was already a wife to your husband, people might call you Dululu, because how can you not know that your man is paying lobola for somebody? Do you get what I'm saying? But now, here is what happened, you guys. after that scene, now Makhumalo is starting to drop hints to show us that actually she's not the Dululu that she was calling Mayeni. Because I feel like the reason she's calling Mayeni Dululu is because she's saying, listen, you can't be that delusional that you are telling me that whole time that I was you thought I was a nanny. You can't be that delusional. Of course, you must have known that I was already dating your husband, okay? And I'm not as Dululu as you because I know about Umakwela, okay? And she's dropping the hints because in I think episode 14 she dropped a hint where she actually indicated that she knew about Umakwela because she said something about meeting Umakwela at the hospital. Okay, when we were under the impression that Umakwela has only been met by Umacele. She also dropped a hint yokuthi she also met Umakwela when she went to Macele's house. Okay, what she was doing at Macele's house, we don't know, but we do know that she said, I have gone to Macele's house ngamfica mina Umakwela there, so I know that Umakwela goes to Macele's house. Okay, it's almost like she wants to tell us that, guys, I am not the Dululu that is Mayeni, because me, I know about Umakwela. Remember that video that I did the other time where I was saying, listen, you guys, I know that Makhumalo is saying that it's the first time that she hears about Makwela, but Umakwela lives close to, her home and all of that. But I am suspecting that she knows more than she is letting us know. And I think with Mayeni being the investigator, because Mayeni is trying to find out, are you the Dululu that I am, or are you the same Dululu that I was when I was coming into the family? I'm saying because I thought I was coming in as the second wife, but you were already there. And if now you are saying you don't know that Umakwela has been lobolwa, are you the Dululu that I am? Okay, and if Makhumalo is trying to prove that she's not the Dululu that Mayeni is, she might actually end up exposing herself. And she's going to expose that she actually knew more about Makwela than she's letting us know. We just have to sit and watch, you guys, okay? We just have to sit and watch. I really do believe that Khumalo knew more about the coming in of Umakwela, because the story of her living so close to her home and yet she knew nothing about it is not making sense, okay? So with Umayeni investigating that delusion situation, she might actually be able to get us the answers, because Mayeni is determined to make the conclusion that Makhumalo is as delusional as her about the coming on Kamakwela. And when Makhumalo tries to prove that she's not delusional, she's going to actually help us to prove that she actually knew more about the coming on of Umakwela. And tada, we are going to have all of the information we need to determine that Makhumalo actually knew everything about the coming on of Umakwela. Because guys, what are we going to do without izindaba zabantu? Because izindaba zabantu siyasidinga. Niyayizwa lento engiyishoyo? Hayi man, ngayizwa guys, niyoyithola in the next video. Anyway, you guys, tell me what you think about this. Niyayizwa lento engiyishoyo? Niyoyithola next time. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Let's meet in the comment section. Let's talk about it, okay? Please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngenithanda kakhulu.